Ready to unlock a piece of ancient Indian mythology? Let's see if you can give right answers. Who wrote the Mahabharata? A. Ganesha. B. Narada. C. Brahma. D. Agni. Correct answer is A. Ganesha. Who is the mother of Lord Ganesha? A. Lakshmi. B. Parvati. C. Saraswati. D. Ganga. Correct answer is B. Parvati. Who gave Krishna the Sudarshan chakra? A. Shiva. B. Indra. C. Agni. D. Surya. Correct answer is A. Shiva. Who was the wife of Lord Rama? A. Tara. B. Mandodari. C. Urmila. D. Sita. Correct answer is D. Sita. Who was Hanuman's father? A. Vayu. B. Indra. C. Surya. D. Agni. Correct answer is A. Vayu. How many did you get right? Comment below, like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more quiz.